Hello everyone and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today we're going to be cooking up some vegan tacos. Don't those look so good? Let's go ahead and dive in. First thing we're going to do is start prepping the meat of the dish, which is a combination of lentils and chickpeas. We'll get 5 cups of water on the stove and come back to that once it's boiling. In the meantime, we have some taco seasoning to make. So in a small bowl, we're going to add chili powder, paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and finally some cayenne pepper. Now if heat isn't your thing, go ahead and limit how much of that cayenne pepper you use, and we're just going to give that a good whisk. So you're probably thinking to yourself, Connor, that is a ton of spice. And you're right. We're only going to be using a couple spoons of this, the rest we'll save for future tacos. Sounds like our water's boiling, so let's add 1 cup of lentils and a drained can of chickpeas. Give that a good mix and stir in 3 tablespoons of our seasoning. Turn the heat down to medium and simmer until all the water is absorbed, which should be about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's go ahead and get our toppings prepped. For me, that's going to be lettuce, tomatoes, onion, and a yellow bell pepper. Let's fire up a chopping montage.
Oh, onions are done.
Let's check back in with our lentils. Go ahead and take a bite to make sure they're cooked all the way through. We're looking for a soft texture, but not mushy. Feel free to add some more water and cooking time to get them just right.
Perfect.
Let's go ahead and build these up. I'm using smaller street tacos. You can go ahead and use normal tortillas, corn, flour, hard shell, soft shell, or even your favorite chip, whatever you like. Now when I build tacos, I put the meat on first. Zoe puts the meat on last. Let us know how you load your tacos in the comments section below.
I want to make such a mess.
And I could eat these for days. There is so much flavor packed into these lentils, and our vegetables give everything a great crisp and a fun texture. Well, that does it for today. If you'd like to see more vegetarian and vegan meals, give us a like and subscribe. Let us know how your tacos turned out in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Worst.
Yeah, I think you probably just cut to the part where you're dumping it.